Top 14 Spices for Promoting Health. Hi, I am Dr. Esther Lydia and we are gonna look at the top 14 spices for promoting health. Before we go into the video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. The leaf, root, bark, berry, bud, seed, stigma of a plant or flower used for the purpose of cooking are commonly referred to as herbs and spices. Spices add to or enhance the flavor of foods including meats, sauces, vegetables and dessert. Spices have been documented as a significant source for discovering new pharmaceutical molecules that have been used to treat serious diseases. 1. Asafoetida. Asafoetida has been consumed as a spice in a folk medicine for centuries. Recent studies have shown several promising activities, particularly as relaxant, neuroprotective, memory-enhancing, digestive enzyme, antioxidant, antispasmodic, hypotensive, anticancer and antiobesity. 2. Bay leaves. These fragrant leaves with pointed ends are used in their dried form. These are used in curries and rice preparations. They also contain eugenol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, explaining their long use in herbal cold remedies. 3. Cardamom. Fruits and seeds leave pleasant aroma with sweet, pungent taste. Cardamom finds usage in digestive problems, asthma, bronchitis, and urinary complaints. The main compound is 1,8 cineole, with smaller amounts of alpha-terpineol, borneol, camphor, limonene, alpha-terpenyl acetate, and alpha-pinene. 4. Cloves. Clove is a traditional spice that has been used for food preservation and possesses various pharmacological activities. Cloves are rich in many phytochemicals like sesquiterpenes, monoterpenes, hydrocarbon, and phenolic compounds. Clove is analgesic, antioxidant, anticancer, antiseptic, antidepressant, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial activity of eugenol against several pathogenic bacteria including methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus aureus. 6. Coriander seeds. Coriander is considered both as an herb and as a spice. It has also been used as a medicine for thousands of years. As a medicinal plant, coriander has been used as an antifungal, antioxidant, hypolipidemic, antimicrobial, hypocholesterolemic, and anticonvulsant substance. The major compounds present in essential oil are linalool, alpha-pinene, gamma-terpenine, geranyl acetate, camphor and geraniol. 7. Cumin. Cumin seeds are used as a spice for their distinctive flavor and aroma. Cumin aldehyde, cymene, terpenine are the major volatile components in cumin. Cumin enhances the appetite, taste perception, digestion, vision, strength, and lactation. It is also used in the treatment of fever, loss of appetite, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal distension, edema and puerperal disorders. 8. Fennel. Fennel is a traditional and popular herb with a long history of use as a medicine. Estragalol, a main component of fennel. Fennel has antioxidant, anti-tumor, chemopreventive, cytoprotective, hepatoprotective, hypoglycemic, and estrogenic activities. 9. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a plant whose seeds have been historically used in cooking and as an herbal remedy, with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anticancer, and anti-diabetic effects. Protective effects of fenugreek on cholesterol and hyperlipidemia might be based on modulation of hepatic steatosis, inflammation, and oxidative stress secondary to diabetes. Fenugreek contain 2-alkaloid trigonelline and choline and 2-flavonoid known as quercetin and luteolin found active as antioxidant. 10. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a common spice used by different cultures around the world for several centuries. Cinnamon is considered a remedy for respiratory, digestive, and gynecological ailments. 3 of the main components of the essential oils obtained from the bark of cinnamon are trans-cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, and linalool. Cinnamon has proven anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial activity, reducing cardiovascular disease, boosting cognitive function and reducing risk of colonic cancer. 11. Mace/nutmeg. Mace is a spice that has long been used for treating the common gastrointestinal conditions include acid reflux, dyspepsia, nausea, vomiting, peptic ulcer, abdominal pain, flatulence, diarrhea, Helicobacter pylori infection, and gastrointestinal cancer. Nutmeg also has antioxidant, antimicrobial, antidiabetic, cytotoxic, anti-inflammatory, and antidepressant activities. Many bioactive compounds including camphene, L-lymicin, eugenol, isoL-lymicin, isoeugenol, methoxyeugenol, pinene, sabinene, safrole, myristic acid, myristicin, and lignin were found in nutmeg. 12. Mustard seeds. The most common types of mustard include yellow mustard, brown mustard, and black mustard. Mustard contains a rich chemical composition, and its seed flour is commonly used in food processing. The main chemical constituents of mustard seeds are glucosinolates, sterols, and glyceride esters of fatty acids. Mustard seeds have anti-hyperglycemic, anti-hyperlipidemic, and anti-hypercholesterolemic activities. Glucosinolates in mustard seed have antibacterial, insecticidal, and antifungal effects. 13. Turmeric. Turmeric, referred to as the queen of spices, is a rhizomatous herbaceous perennial plant, Curcuma longa L., of the ginger family, Zingiberaceae. Curcumin is a phytochemical in turmeric. Curcumin is both strongly anti-inflammatory and strongly antioxidant. Curcumin is a more effective anti-clotting agent than aspirin, without the ulcer-inducing stomach irritation caused by aspirin. Curcumin in turmeric can scavenge peroxynitrite free radical, prevents colon cancer and blocks amyloid beta aggregation, which may prevent Alzheimer's disease. 14. Pepper. Pepper are aromatic plants used as spices in the kitchen. Pepper possess therapeutic and preventive potential against several chronic disorders. Pepper can be used to treat several diseases such as urological problems, skin, liver, and stomach ailments, for wound healing, and as antipyretic and anti-inflammatory agents. Spices also have a possible role in conferring protection against cardiovascular and neurodegenerative diseases, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell button for more videos. Let food